Be quiet, quiet. Come here, do something now. Calm me. So we'll catch up the fire, we'll put on the soup. So we'll put the coal fire in a circle like that and make a little slope and put some dry wood in the middle.
Wait, ma'am.
Yeah. Alright. You ready? Come now, now. Alright. Alright. Now let's tear some piece of paper. I will light it with that.
You put the wood at bottom and then put the cardboard on top. No worry, man. You catch it all the same, yeah.
Don't like the very, very bottom?
Yeah?
And put the wood on it so still, let me go.
You go first and then you light that wood on top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah? Look, man, come to the light out.
So what's the difference?
This.
Catch your paper first and the paper help catch your wood.
Yeah.
Come on away, yeah, black me.
I use plastic, don't like gas.
Oh, come on, my boy, I use plastic right there now. That's I use plastic. Yeah, that plastic come like gasoline. A kerosene or gasoline. Oh, I know why. To dissolve solvent in the ink. I do print tree, you know, so should I know that? The solvent in the ink help flame, build the flame. So we use plastic. Like kerosene. Them like that. So when you don't have things, you have to use it.
And I do that to the fire something.
So you see it's just dropping it like that. Drip. I'm not put no kerosene in this at all. Yeah. You know right now.
Hey, move from there, sir. Go around, sir. Go around.
You hear that? So you run the kids away from the fire. We don't play.
Here, you know. Go that side.
And kids are hard hearing sometimes, and harder hearing sometimes. So you have to instill it in them. So the plastic pretty much do all of that.
Eh? The soup pan. No, so we don't have a soup pan. No.
Oh, long iron one.
Yeah. That is pretty much it. You can't just stay around this.
So you don't have to fan it now. Because breeze all a blow. Make it neat, yeah.
That's why you have to stifle it, you know.
So how long now before you put on the pot pan this now?
As soon as you see the coal start,
Start do what?
as soon as you see coal light up and get pretty, you stop smoke.
Like a flame.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it's ready in the next 15 minutes, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So that's how you catch a coal fire.
So in
So
the
the
meantime, let me show you the soup. Add some more. I saw the fire burn out fast, man. Throw some more coal on it.
Oh, that look nice. Look like hell. This is where you're going to end up if you do bad things in life. This is what they say hell, this is what hell looks like. So we had this burning about 20 minutes. Because it will catch now, we're just going to put some more on it so it, you know, so it kind of...
She and him.
Yeah. You don't believe it, though?
What happened when it?
You might roast pork.
That's the
And
pork.
soup.
And the soup.
Yeah, it's not free on the house if you buy a liquor. If you buy a
You
special,
might tell the rest I come, I never know the full 100.
if you buy a special, you get pork free.
Told you we have to
Serious,
come
man.
tonight.
Yeah.
That good enough, Rodney?
Eh?
That what
Earlier was thing, man, I don't know the vibe. Come on, I'm in the picks out here, play some music.
we know man.
Yes,
Alright, me have a
you
problem.
buy a- This is a well set coal fire, and we're going to set our sweet pot on now. And this is the beauty of Jamaican cooking. This is real.
Go closer to eating now.
This is real Jamaican cooking. This is what they call.
It again, can we ever catch that?
This is what we call the ghetto. But the ghetto is so beautiful. You really need to get to know it.
Plenty ghettos in America and all about in England and all about.
This
So
is the
people know about
Jamaican one.
Oh,
This is the Jamaican ghetto. You don't see these things in the American ghetto.
a while ago the pot tilt. I didn't want to catch it on camera, so I didn't video it. So we just put two pieces of grill on top of there. Cool. It's really a rim. That's what it is. A car rim. This is what we just cook on. It's cool stuff.
See if I saw.
That way, yeah, safer this way, that way it won't tilt. Because when the coal burn out, it alters the level and your pot might just tilt right over. So this is a safe way of burning on the coal. So look at that, look at the coal fire. Now may I show them how the flame just set underneath the thing, you know? So yeah, they took pieces of coal from that fish.
Yeah, start with the jerk fire. And we're gonna jerk the pork. Finish roast pork.
With the coal fire, every so often, like every 2 hours or so, you have to kind of top it up. Make sure you put in fresh coal. You don't want to burn out the coal that's in there. Because this soup is going to be on fire for most of the night until about 12 o'clock tonight when the last cup serve. It's going to be on this fire, so we have to keep it going. So by just taking out a few pieces out of the fire that's catch and putting in this, so it's just catching this by itself. So that's all you need to catch this. So you just put it on top of the grill just like that. So set up a light so you can see better, but we'll put it on the first set so you can see what's what. Just take it out of the pot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Women love pork in Jamaica, so if they smell this now, you see them start gathering. So that's about 8 pieces. This was simmered on the stove for about 4 hours on low flame, just to marinate the season inside of the ingredients more and more and more. So that's the soup over there, and this is the jerk pork or roast pork. And we're not really using jerk sauce, so this is roast pork.
So you want to water to the fire. The fire too high.
Oh, so you put a little water in it to keep the temperature down.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the secret.
That's a good roast again. That's a good jerky then. Good? Yeah.
Yeah, pimento wood.
Yeah, me that said pimento wood is really nice with this. So in the countries, you have some men who have access to pimento wood and cut it down and broke it out. Would that be really nice with this?
You see all the grill dock? Out.
Yeah, I know.
Thing when the man are pushing the fire up be out. No cold.
So that's it. We put nearly with a grill size like
Where
this.
pimento tree that would that come from?
Eh?
Pimento tree that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're using pimento seed wood. Yeah. We're not really using pimento, we're using coal, but pimento seed wood, many in the countries would use that. And the pork will taste really good, like Boston jerk pork. Yeah, that's what they use.
Wow.
So tell the people where you just, that's a producing thing again. Alright, ready now, ready.
Yeah.
What we just did,
So what we just did is place the pork on the grill
yeah, we simmered it for 4 minutes, 4 hours.
for 4 hours.
Yeah,
So
I know.
within 30 to 45 minutes, it's all ready to eat.
Yeah, so we're just grilling it now.
So we are just grilling it now.
Alright,
And
cool.
people is outside licking their tongue,
We're waiting.
waiting.